What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finishing this door on my shed. I originally planned on buying some panels and putting some like vinyl panels on here, but I think I'm just going to use the doors that they gave me with the shed, and I got to cut off the sides so they fit flat, but I'll just have a piece of brown trim on the top and bottom, and it should look nice right here. So yeah, we're just working on the shed today. Gonna finish this door, maybe put in a couple shelves, caulk around the edges maybe, but yeah, I'm just gonna work on this door. I got a new latch. I took these guys off. I didn't like that, like I said. I got one of these turning, just like this. I like this a lot better. First things first is we're gonna cut these little sides off the metal so it can sit flat on my wood. All right, guys, just put the door back on. Sorry, it's really windy out today. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna end up painting that wood that's left. All I got left to do is this little latch for the door. So this needs to hook on something on the inside. So I'm just gonna put a little stop back here. And yeah, this door is coming along. Still gonna like caulk around the edges and stuff of the door, but at least it's up and has some metal on it. All right, guys, so I got the door up, got it pretty nice. This is how I wanted it, with this type of door handle. Got it all working pretty good. Looks decent for now. I'm still gonna do a couple things to it, but so now that I got this the way I want it, I'm gonna work in here. I'm gonna put a couple shelves in this middle area here. I got some 1" by 12" board. So I got 2 of these shelves up. My GoPro died. I think it got too hot and it just shut off. We got 2 of these up. I'm gonna put 2 more up, maybe 1 right here I think, and then the same over there. So looks like 43 1/4. These shelves turned out pretty nice. I actually want to make more now. I might do the same thing with this little area here. I think I don't want to do anything on this side with shelves. Maybe another 4 shelves right there. That might be really nice. Gives me a lot of extra space. But yeah. Now I'm just gonna work on caulking the edges, just to hopefully keep a little water out of here. Just it'll make the shed a little bit more stable, maybe keep some bugs out, who knows. Just something good to do. Like there's a little gap over here, so I'm just gonna go around and caulk all of it now. So I got the base of this shed caulked pretty much all the way around. A lot of it's not pretty. I don't care. Just a shed. Yeah, and I know that I'm not going to keep bugs out of here, but it's just good to do this. Makes me feel better. On the outside, got that up there caulked. I did these doors the other day. Still gotta hit that. Alright guys, we're pretty much all done for today. Got a lot done to this shed. Got the sides all caulked. Got the top caulked. Pretty much got it all sealed up. Still got some things to do to this door. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I might put trim around these edges, might just paint it. Not 100% sure yet. Let me know what you guys would do. But yeah, got a lot. Got it pretty much all sealed up. Then got my shelves. Those are really nice. I'm liking those. I'm gonna do some more over there. But yeah, it's really hot in here. Got my latch all figured out. Nice. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys are following along with this little project, it's come a long way. It's starting to be nice now. If you guys have made it this far in the video, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. help the channel grow. I gotta put this stuff back in, and that's it, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.